All right, guys, so I want to come in here and do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new portable neck massager. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. I've had these before, but not portable. So that should help out, especially because sometimes you're trying to find a plug near where you're at. And this, you won't actually need it. You got your user manual right here, along with the power cable. Check that out. It also does have heat as well. All your controllers are right on this side. And it basically just goes like this. You just put your arms through here, just like that. And we'll go ahead and fire it up. There we go. Like I said, check that out. No cords. So it doesn't matter if you're like in the office, work, anything. You can literally have it sitting it down in your living room. You can literally just have it there, massaging your neck, back area. Very nice. So let me just go ahead and show you. This will last about 1 to 3 hours. Check that out. Let's go ahead and actually change up. You can change the rotation of it right here. And then you are able to adjust if you want the heat setting on or not. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And then here is the speed as well. Probably have it on the highest speed right there. Very cool. This cordless neck and back massager is a game changer when it comes to portable pain relief. With a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you get up to 3 hours of uninterrupted use, no cords, no hassle. It's perfect for travel, work breaks, or relaxing at home like I am. The design is smart too. It folds into a compact shawl-style shape that's easy to toss into a bag or suitcase so you can take your massage anywhere. Even better, the exterior is made of a breathable, waterproof PU leather that's super easy to wipe down and keep clean. Now, what's really cool is this massager has 20 rotating high-low massage heads that mimic real hand techniques with both kneading and reversing motion to hit those deep, tense spots. It also has a built-in heat therapy, as I showed you earlier, to improve blood flow and loosen up tight muscles. You can feel it work within seconds, especially in the neck, shoulder, and lower back. The ergonomic design follows the natural curve of your neck and shoulder, so it doesn't just sit on you. It targets hard-to-reach muscles that regular massagers miss. It's lightweight but powerful, enough to use on your legs, waist, or even after a tough workout. All right, and then if we wanted to charge it, we'll just go ahead and plug in that Type-C right here. And we are ready to go. See, it's already charging. So very, very simple to get it back up and running. All right, guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable neck massager, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.